I'm Marwa G, and I work as a solar Techno Manager at AQU Energy, a global independent renewable energy producer and developer. At AQU, our focus is to build sustainable and innovative energy projects. And my role as a solar Techno Manager involves optimizing solar designs, supporting development projects from the early stage of development or feasibility up to execution, and also ensure technical excellence for our projects. Instead of using CAD tools, in-house spreadsheet and manual calculation, now we use the tool to have automated and integrated solutions, and it helps us to have the time to focus on the main scope of work and the strategic parts of our work, which is optimizing our designs and to have a very efficient and effective projects. So before using PV design software, even though our team had a strong technical expertise in and well-established methodology for designing and optimizing the PV project in general, PV and BSS projects in general, this process, it took a lot of time. It was very time consuming, and it made the iteration and the design of different scenarios very hard to do it and very time consuming. So I think it's difficult to answer this question with only one feature, so I will mention the three features that I think that helps us to enhance our everyday design of projects. So I can start by the template, the PV project template, which helps us to set all the our technical requirements from the solar techno team to help the developers of the project to have a fast idea on the potential of every site and on what they would expect on the capacity in respect of our technical recommendation, and that works fine with our financial also estimations. The second one, I would say the topography analysis, which helps us to have a topography analysis without having to import any topography reports or profile of the land, and gives us a preliminary idea on the potential constraints regarding the slopes or the direction of the slopes and the percentage of the slope that we can take into consideration in an early stage of the development of the project. And the third one, I would say the new feature of PV design, which is layout editor, a new feature that gives us more flexibility, and it helps us to optimize the land use of our projects by having the option to eliminate or add structures, align them with the parcel borders. And this feature, it helps us to have a better use of the total available areas of our plant. Different improvements in the process of the project's design, such as around 50% of reduction of the time of iteration, more collaborative teamwork, in which our team are more focused on the strategic project development more than doing repetitive and time-consuming tasks, and the ability to iterate and to have different scenarios to choose the most technical and viable financially scenario.